In this video, I will be showing you how to log into your Office 365 mailbox from the web. This will be good for logging into email when working from home or from another computer that's not in your office. The first thing that you'll need to do is open up a web browser. For this example, I'm using Microsoft Edge. You can use whatever browser you like. Once you're in your web browser, go ahead and type in the search bar www.office.com. Once we're at office.com, you can click the sign in button at the top right or in the middle of the page. It's going to ask you to sign in. Go ahead and type your work email address and click next. And then you're going to use your password for your work email. If you don't know what this is, you can contact us and we can help you reset it if you're one of our clients. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, go ahead and open up your Microsoft Authenticator app and type in your one-time passcode. If you don't have it turned on, don't worry about this step. Go ahead and click yes if it's your computer, or you can click no if you're on a public computer. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your applications. On the top left will be Outlook. Go ahead and click that, and that's going to bring you into your email. I've blurred my email for confidentiality purposes, but your email will show on the left like normally in Outlook. So if you like this video, go ahead and leave it a giant thumbs up. Thanks for watching.